Alright, so YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Mike. I'm back and giving another video. So we've already talked about the Tech 21 and the out-of-box symmetry case for the OnePlus 7 Pro, but now let's talk about a different type of case for the phone. Now we've talked about some clear cases and how they make the phone look and the protection that they give the phone as well, but now we're going to talk about the Speck Presidio Grip. Now this is a case that I've had on quite a few phones in my life. This is a really nice case. You get a nice polycarbonate shell, 10 feet of drop protection, 2 layers of protection with the outer rubber grip in addition to the inner shell. Now I'm going to read the back of this for you guys in case you can't, or you want to stop and pause and read it for yourself. But you get your most protective slim case, screen with the raised bezel, no slip grip. You get Impactium. I don't know, Impactium. I believe I said that right. It's a tough shell and soft layer with scientifically engineered crash zones. So the Impactium, I'm going to say, is these ridges on the inside here. Now, if you see the old Tech 21, the old Evo check cases from back in the day, I forgot what the old name for them used to be. It was like DO32 or something like that. But they had a lot of this on the inside as well, and they had like an orange material to show you. So we're going to go ahead and pop this on though. Now this case is going to be just as protective as the out-of-box and the Tech 21. The only difference is that this one might be a little bit slimmer, and so far it is a slim case. The grip on the back though just kind of gives it that nice feel. This is a really good fitting case as far as to just, you hold on to this, you know your phone's not going anywhere. You can, watch it, you can do anything with your phone in landscape mode. You can kind of hold it with your hand like this. You see my hand naturally gravitates towards holding right here, so to have that grip at the bottom and to have that grip at the top is just really nice. But once again, this is all about protection for your device. Now if you're going to buy a $750 phone, a $700 phone, or the cheapest variant at $679, you want to be able to protect your device. And it's no shade against OnePlus, but the case that it comes with just sometimes isn't the best. This is a really good case for free, but if you can afford to go buy another case, I'm not going to necessarily tell you to go do it. I'm just going to show you what's out there. I'm going to show you what you can get to protect your investment. Another case that I do have for the phone that I just want to touch base on real quick in this video is going to be the OnePlus. This is the carbon fiber shell case. So I'll pull this out real quick just to show you guys. Now this is going to be one of their slim cases, and this one's not really going to be too protective. It's just going to kind of give you a nice feel for the phone. So we'll pop the top of the, well, before we pop it off, let's check that pop-up camera. So we'll power on the device. See, the pop-up camera works just fine. Got a nice little clearance for it up there and everything, so no worries there. So we'll take this off and put that over there, and let's just take a look at what this one's going to look like. Now notice one thing between OnePlus cases and these other cases that I'm noticing is OnePlus cases have an actual lip right there for the actual pop-up camera. The other cases don't. You see this one has that lip there as well. So it's almost like they worry that the camera's going to come forward in some type of way. I'm not really sure why, but that's just what they tend to do. So yeah, so this is pretty much what this is going to look like. Now I gotta say, I think this is my favorite one just because it gives the phone a nice clean slim feel. There's just enough raised edges to put the phone face down on the table with a nice screen protector. I really think this would be a great minimal case, really good case to have. And we'll try that pop-up camera just so you guys can see. Once again, no issue. And yeah, so that is the Speck Presidio Grip and the carbon fiber case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now the Speck Presidio Grip is going to run you $45. You probably can find it cheaper elsewhere. I got all these cases at T-Mobile on a bundle deal, so that's why you've seen so many of them from T-Mobile. But again, you can find these cases for a much better deal in other places. I just got a good deal at the time of purchase, so I said why not. And again, it's all about bringing you guys options. You want to see what your options are, so that's why I'm bringing you guys these cases. So this is the Speck Presidio Grip for the OnePlus 7 Pro and the carbon fiber OnePlus case. This is both available online or in store. I'll leave links below for the description of these cases, and yeah, we'll leave it at that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.